Welcome to the class 12th students. Now today we discuss the chapter 6 part 2. In the part 1 we discuss tangent normal. In the part 1, in the chapter 6 part 1, we discussed the tangent normal. What is the tangent, what is the slope of tangent, what is the equation of the tangent, what is the equation of tangent parallel to the x-axis, what is the equation of the tangent parallel to y-axis, what is the normal, what is the slope of normal, what is the equation of the normal. Now today we discuss the rate change. In the chapter 6, only three topics are: first is the tangent normal, rate change and maxima minima, and the topic error approximation, increasing decreasing function are deducted. Now we discuss the rate change. Exercise NCERT exercise 6.1 and R.D. Sharma chapter 13. In the NCERT exercise 6.1, exercise 6.1 and R.D. Sharma chapter 13. Now what is the rate change? Rate change means the change with respect to the time. Suppose we give the example, area of the circle is the pi r. Now you differentiate with respect to the radius, then dA upon dr equal to 2 pi r. This is the rate change with respect to the radius. Now, if we discuss the area with respect to the time, then if we differentiate with respect to the time, rate change with respect to the time, then dA upon dt. Then what is the dA upon dt? dA upon dt is the dA upon dr into dr upon dt. This is the differentiation with respect to the time. dA upon dt equal to dA upon dr into dr upon dt. Now, then the differentiation dA upon dt is the 2 pi r. 2 pi r, dA upon dr is the 2 pi r into dr upon dt. What is the dr upon dt? dr upon dt is the rate change of the radius with respect to the time. What is the dA upon dt? Rate change of the area with respect to the time. Now then, dA upon dt equal to 2 pi r dr upon dt. Now we discuss the some example in the NCERT. Now we discuss the some examples in the NCERT books. Now example 2. Now we discuss the example 2 in the NCERT. Example 2. We discuss the example 2. Now what is the example 2? We discuss the example 2. Example 2, NCERT example, NCERT example, example 2. Now, you see the example? The example is given, the volume of the tube is increasing. The volume of the tube is increasing at the rate of 9 cubic per centimeter. How fast the surface area increasing when the length of edge is the 10 centimeter. The what is given? The volume of the tube increasing. The volume of the tube. This means it is given. It is given the volume of the tube dV upon dt equal to 9 centimeter cube per second. And what is given? And how fast the surface area. How fast? What is question? How fast surface area? And what is the value of the ds upon dt? And what is given? And so when the length of the edge, suppose edge is the x, then at any time the length of edge is the x equal to 10 centimeter. Now, you understand what is the question? It is given the change in the volume. The change in the volume is 9 centimeter cube per second. And what is question? What is the change in the surface area? What is the surface area of the tube? So what is the change in the surface area of the tube? And given that at any time the edge is the 10 centimeter. Now, what is the volume of the tube? We know that the volume of the tube is the volume of the tube. What is the volume of the tube? Suppose a length is the x, then the volume of the tube is the x cube. Now, V equal to x cube. Now, the dV upon dt. What is the value of the dV upon dt? The value of the dV upon dt is the V is the function of the x. Then this is the dV upon dx into dx upon dt. Now the dV upon dt is the 9. It is given 9. The dV upon dx is the 3x square. Now dx upon dt into dx upon dt. Now the dx upon dt is the dx upon dt is the 9 upon 3x square. The dx upon dt, the centimeter per second, dx upon dt, change in the rate, change in the length, rate change. This is the what is the unit? Centimeter per second. Now, the value of x is given. The value of x is given. Then dx upon dt equal to 9 upon 3. What is the value of x? The value of x is the 10 and x square is the 100 centimeter per second. And this is the 9 upon 300 centimeter per second. This is the value of the dx upon dt. Now, What is the question? What is the change in the surface area? What is the surface area of the cube? The surface area of the cube is the 6a square. Then what is a? What is x? Then s is the surface area of the cube is the surface area of the cube is the 6x square. The surface area of the cube is the 6x square. Now, the change in rate change in the surface area. Rate change in the surface area ds upon dt. ds upon dt equal to ds upon dx into dx upon dt. Now, ds upon dx is the 12x and dx upon dt. dx upon dt we find the 9 upon 300. 9 upon 300. Then what is the rate change in the unit of the rate change in the surface area is the centimeter square per second. Put the value of x. What is the value of x? The value of x is the 10. 12 into 10 into 9 upon 300. 12 into 10 into 9 upon 300. Now cancel 0 and 0 are cancelled. 3 is the 9 and this is the 10. Now cancel 2 6 and this is the 2 5. Now this is the 18 upon 5. This is the 18 upon 5 centimeter square per second. 18 upon 5. 18 upon 5 is the, this means 5 3 the 5 3 the 15 and 6 3.6 centimeter square per second. Understand? The rate change in the surface area is the 3.6 centimeter square per second. The example 5 of the NCERT example 5. Discuss the example 5 of NCERT. Example 5 of the NCERT. Example 5 of NCERT. Example 5. What is the example? This question asks sometime in the 1 marks. The cost Cx in rupee associated with the production of X unit of an item Cx. Cx is given. The value of Cx. The value of Cx is given 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 30x plus 30x plus 5,000 plus 5,000. The equation is given, the cost is given. Find the marginal cost when 3 unit of production. And what is the marginal cost? That it is given in question. The marginal cost is the rate change in the total cost. Understand? The equation is given, the cost, and आपसे ये पूछा जा रहा है what is the marginal cost, and what is the marginal cost? Marginal cost, the rate change in the cost. This means the marginal cost is, what is the marginal cost? It is given, the marginal cost is the dc upon dx. dc upon, it is given. It is given the marginal cost in the rate change in the production, dc upon dx. Now differentiate this equation and put the value of x is given. What is the value of x? The value of x is 3. Now you find the dc upon, dx. Then dc upon dx is the 0.05 into 3x squared minus 0.02 into 2x plus 30. Now, this is the marginal cost. What is the marginal cost? The rate change in the cost. Now, put the value of x in the 3. It is given. That is given. What is the marginal cost at x equal to 3? Now, you put the value at x equal to 3. At x equal to 3, then dc upon dx is 0.005 into 3x, and this is the 9 minus 0.04 into 3 plus. You solve this value and find the value of the rate change in the cost. Now discuss the another question of the NCERT, and suppose the question number, all the questions are very easy. This is very easy topic. Now we discuss the question 7, 8, any question we discuss. Now we discuss the question number. Question number 7 is the same. Question number 7 is the same as the example 2 of the NCERT. And question number 8 is the same as the example 2. Now we discuss the question 10 and question 10 and question 11. Question 10 and 11. Now discuss some question of NCERT books. Let's think the easy topic. Now question number 7. 1 to 6 are easy. Now question number 7. Question 7. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing. Suppose any rectangle, suppose the length is x, a rectangle, it is given. This is the rectangle. The length, suppose this is the x, length is x, and the width is y. It is given. The length x of a rectangle decreasing. This means it is given the dx upon dt. The dx upon dt. Decreasing means you approach the minus sign, and then decreasing means this is the minus 5 centimeter per minute. Now, and what is the decreasing and the width y? Y is increasing. This means it is given dy upon dt. What is the dy upon dt? The dy upon dt is the dy upon dt is the 4 centimeter per minute. This is increasing. Then you take the positive sign. This is the 4 centimeter per minute. 4 centimeter per minute. Now, अब आपसे क्या पूछा जा रहा है? What is the question? And when x is at any time x is the 8 centimeter and y is the 6 centimeter. Y is the 6 centimeter. Find the rate of change of the perimeter. Find the rate of change of the perimeter and find the rate of change in the area of the rectangle. Now, what is the perimeter? What is the perimeter? The first part. What is the rate change in the perimeter? The perimeter is the 2 length plus breadth, 2x plus 5. Now, dp upon dt, rate change in the perimeter, then dp upon dt, then dp upon dt is the 2 dx upon dt plus dy upon dt. Dx upon dt. What is the value of the dx upon dt? The value of the dx upon dt is the minus 5. What is the value of the dy upon dt? Is the 4. Then minus 5 plus 4 is the minus 1. Then this is the minus 2 centimeter per second. This is the rate change in the perimeter of the rectangle. Now in the second part, what is the rate change in the area? What is the rate change in the area? You know that the rate area, what is the formula of the area of rectangle? L into V. And this is the x into y. X into y. Now you find the dA upon dt. dA upon dt. Now here x and y are the two variables. Then you apply the product rule. Now this is the then dA upon dt is the first function x, second differentiation dy upon dt plus y differentiation of x is the dx upon dt. Now, the value of x is given. What is the value of x? The value of x is 8. What is the value of dy upon dt? 4. The value of y is the 6. The value of the y is the 6, and the value of the dx upon dt is the minus 5. Now this is the 32 minus 15. And this is the 2 centimeter square area, rate in the area, centimeter square per Second, this is the answer. This is the answer. Now discuss the another questions. Question number 9 and 10 are the same. Now discuss the question number 11. 11 at the NCERT. Discuss the another question. Question number now discuss the question number 11. 11 question. 11 question number 11 NCERT. The question is, a particle move along the curve. A particle move along the curve 6y. 6y equal to x cube plus x cube plus 2. X cube plus 2. A particle is move along this equation 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Find the point on the curve at the y coordinate changing. At the y coordinate change, suppose any time the coordinate x, y, this means it is given the change in the y coordinate dy upon dt. Suppose x, y is the coordinate at any time. Then the dy upon dt, the y coordinate is changing 8 times. 8 times of the x coordinate. This means it is given y dy upon dt equal to 8 dx upon dt. It is given. It is given. And what is the question? What is the question? 8 times as the find the 8 times fast as the x coordinates. Understand? Find the point. After point पूछा जा रहा है. What is the point? Now this is the equation and this is the condition. Now differentiate with respect to the time. Then when differentiating with respect to the time, 6. This is the dy upon dt equal to differentiation 3x squared into dx upon dt. Dx upon dt. Now, the value of dy upon dt is the 8 dx upon dt. Value of the dy upon dt is the 8 into 8 dx upon dt equal to 3 x squared dx upon dx upon dt is the cancel and 3 to the 6 and this is the 16 equal to dx upon dt is also cancel. 16 equal to x squared. Then what is the value of the x? The value of the x is the plus minus 4. The value of the x is the plus minus 4. Now we put the value of x in y. First value put करेंगे. When x is the 4, then when x is the 4, when x equal to 4, then x equal to 4, then this is the 6y equal to 4 per cube, 4 cube plus 2. Then this is the 16 into 4, 64 plus 2, 6y. Then 6y equal to 66. Then y equal to 11. When x equal to 4, then y equal to 11. When x equal to when x equal to minus 4, when x equal to minus 4, then 6y, and 6y equal to -4 cube plus 2. Then this is the -64 plus 2. -64 plus 2, 6y. Then this is the -62, 6y. Then y equal to -62 upon 6, 2, 31, 2, 3. So this is the -31 upon 3. This is the -31 upon 3. Then answer is the when x equal to 4, then y equal to 11. This is the first coordinate. Then when x equal to -4, and this is the -31 upon 3. This is the second. Now this is the 2 coordinate. This is the answer. Now you complete the homework. You complete the exercise 6.1, and in R.D. Sharma, first you solve the chapter 13, the board question. First you solve, then after the remaining question you solve. Okay, next, and you complete the copy and submit the copy when school is open. Understand?